Right. So today is 40. Please raise your hands if you are finished writing. concept sankalpaya. Tomorrow. Ravisha, I am not clear about this message. Yeah, today, what is this photo? The photo is not clear. It's in. Yes, yes. Okay. After dictation, I will do this. I remember last week also you sent me, but I forgot to do. Yes, after dictation, I will do this. Please raise hand if you are finished writing dictation. ප්‍රවිෂය පළවෙනි සෙට් එක කවුරු ගැනද තියෙන්නේ? Is it about a student?
Yes, teacher.
Here got write a paragraph on each of the following responsibilities of a class teacher. Number 1, responsibilities as a student. Okay, right. Now I got them. Right. See, some of you have joined late, so they are still writing dictation. Please raise your hand once you finish dictation. One, two, three, four. 4 not finished yet. One, two, three, four. Satini not finished yet. Tenuji, Sanduni. Right, I think we can mark. Itiri kotasa rest. Tract. Reservoir. Concept. Vision. Vision. Our school has a vision. Pasale dakma. Vision. Mission. Pasale meheya. Mehevara, right? So vision means dakma. And there are some optical shops, vision care. Vision care ගැන ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමතැනම අහලා ඇති. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ branches තියෙනවා. Vision care is opticians. දෘෂ්ටි විශේෂඥයෝ, right? So vision means පෙනීම, දැක්ම. Self sufficient. SUFFICIENT. Sufficient means තෘප්තිමත්. Sufficient. SUFFICIENT. Self-sufficient means sayang truptimat or sayang poshita. Vasasthana settlements. Did I write? Sankalpaya. What's the problem here? Did I write double sankalpaya? What is number 4?
Concept.
So what is number 8? සංකල්පය මන් දෙපාරක් ලියලාද?
Yes, teacher.
පැහැදිලිව පෙන්නනවා ලියලා නැහැනේ. Obvious, right. So let's write that here. OBVIOUS, obvious, පැහැදිලිව පෙනෙන. So you get one chance. නැවත පිහිටුවනවා, restore. Restore. Restore නැවත පිහිටුවනවා. පාෂාණය මතුවීම in Selberg. Anything? Berg means ඉහළට එනවා. Right? Iceberg. Iceberg means ice kanda. Especially in the ocean, we can see the iceberg. The lot of ice is hidden here under the ocean and the little parties appear. Matu enama. Iceberg, right? So this is the ocean. Inselberg means on the land. Bima, land එකේ ගොඩ බිම තනින් තන අපිට පේනවා පොඩි පොඩි කඳු ගැට මතුවලා තිනවා, but there is a very large rock underneath. Like maybe you all have heard about සීගිරිය. සීගිරිය උඩ තියෙන ප්‍රමාණයට වඩා විශාල ප්‍රමාණයක් යටට තියෙනවා කියලා ඒගොල්ලෝ කියනවා, right? Something like that. It's not like normal mountain. සාමාන්‍ය mountain එකක් කියන්නේ land එකෙන් උඩට තියෙන කොටසක්, යට ප්‍රමාණය බොහොම අඩුයි. But berg එකක් කියන්නේ යට ඉඳන්ම උඩට මතුවෙන දෙයක්. So හරස්කඩ cross section. Irrigation system. Irrigation system. Right. So let's see marks. Ravisha has sent us some guidelines to write short paragraph, right? It's not the big essay. So let's write these. Actually, these are from the old syllabus. These about responsibilities, these questions are in our old syllabus, grade 11 first unit. It's not in our new syllabus. But anyway, she has asked us to do. So let's write. In that syllabus, we got responsibilities of a family, teacher, prefect, everything, right? But not in the new syllabus. Anyway, let's write. It's the family bonds කියන පළවෙනි පාඩම අපේ කලින් syllabus එකේ, right? So anyway, let's write that. Number 1, write a paragraph. Responsibilities of a class teacher. So you can go to the writing book and write the topic, responsibilities of a class teacher. Right, I just follow the guidelines. Here they say maintain discipline. විනය පවත්වා ගැනීම, check the cleanliness. පිරිසිදුකම check කිරීම, control the class, obedient, loyal, kind and helpful. Mediate the teacher and the students. Mediate means මැදිහත් වෙනවා. Come to school early and regularly. Right, so let's write about the class teacher. A class teacher is the person who is in charge. Who is in charge of a class. A class teacher is the person who is in charge of a class. She has many responsibilities. She has many responsibilities. She comes to school early and regularly. She is a role model. Role model එකක් කියන්නේ ආදර්ශවත් චරිතයක්. She is a role model to her students. She maintains discipline. Maintain කරනවා පවත්වාගෙන යනවා. Discipline විනය. විනය. She maintains discipline and check. And checks the cleanliness. මට පෑනකුත් ගෙනත් දෙනවද? Cleanliness of the students. She maintains discipline and checks the cleanliness of the students. She controls the class She controls the class in difficult situations. Difficult situations. She controls the class in difficult situations. She produces. Obedient. She produces. Obedient. Loyal. Loyal. Kind and helpful students. Kind and helpful students. She produces loyal, kind and helpful students. දැන් දවස් ගාණක් වෙනවා ඕවා කියලා ඔය. දැන් උත්තර හදිසියෙද ගේනවා. She mediate. Mediate means මැදිහත් වෙනවා. She mediate the teacher and the students. Teacher and the student relationship. Mediate මැදිහත් වෙනවා. Kavisha, are you finished writing?
Yes.
Right. Can you read so the others can listen?
Responsibilities of a class teacher. A class teacher is the person who is in charge of the class. She has many responsibilities. She comes to school early and regularly. She is a role model to her students. She maintains discipline and checks the cleanliness of the students. She controls the class in difficult situations. She produces obedient,
Loyal.
uh, loyal, kind, and helpful students. She mediate the teacher and the students relationship.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Good. Uh, who is not finished this part, the bottom part? Not finish, anyone? Because sometimes if you have signal problem, then you cannot write. Ravisha, don't you want to write all the three?
No, teacher.
Is it only one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then. Right. Then I will stop because I want to complete my reported speech questions, no? Right. So, and also I have sent the next word set to the group. Next word set. So, you can mark 12 words. Write those words in the writing book and mark 12 words, right? So, there are granary, eminent, aware, beware, accumulate, issue, decay, haphazardly, infertile, extremely, instead, digest. So you can mark dictation from granary to digest. Write those words. Granary to digest. Twelve words. Right? Later you can write the words. Then mark 12 words. Right. Did we do tag questions last week? Reporting tag questions? No answer. Did we do tag questions last week? Reporting? No. Thank you, Sulaksha. Right. So we did everything about past tense, right? When the statement is given in past tense. Prakashe karanne past tense එකෙන් කියන තැනදී අපි models වෙනකම්ම සාකච්ඡා කළා. All the tenses, simple, present, past, future, continuous, perfect tenses and the models. එතනදී අපි models ටිකත් කරගෙන ගියා, right? Right. Okay. So today, this is the fourth one. Number one is reporting a command, positive command and negative command. Number two, when the statement is given in Prakashaya denne, simple present, simple past, simple present, present perfect and future. ඒ තුනෙන් දෙනවා නම් අපි අර ස්ටේට්මන්ට් එක චේන්ජ් කරන්නේ නැහැ. ස්ටේට්මන්ට් එකේ verb එක චේන්ජ් කරන්නේ නැහැ. Then the third one, universal truth, විශ්ව සත්‍ය report කරද්දි change කරන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. Number 1 is about reporting a command, positive command and negative command. Number 2 is about simple present tense, future and present perfect. ඒ තුනෙන් ප්‍රකාශය කරනවා නම් අපි ප්‍රකාශයේ verb එක change කරන්නේ නැහැ. And number 3 is universal truth, විශ්ව සත්‍ය ගැන කතා කරනවා. Also the verb does not change. Number 4, it's about past tense. ප්‍රකාශයේ past tense එකෙන් කරනවා නම් අන සම්පූර්ණ tenses ටිකම go back. ආපස්සට යනවා, right? So today we have to do number 5, reporting a tag question. So take your grammar book and write the topic number 5, reporting a tag question. Reporting a tag question. Right. So, what is a tag question? Right. What is a tag question? If you think about the tags, simple present tense, we have do, does. The tags, right? Simple present tense, do, does. Simple past tense, did. Future tense, will. Present continuous tense, am, is, are. Past continuous, was, were. Present perfect, has, have. Past perfect, had. Present perfect continuous, has, have. Past perfect continuous, had. And also we have the models. These are tenses. Then we have models. As usual, can, could, would, may, might, must, shall. Right? So those are models. And remember, with the model, we use the original verb. Model එකක් එක්ක original verb එක එන්නේ, but here they change. I usually do, does, did, will. මේගොල්ලෝ එක්කත් original verb එක යන්නේ. Is, are, was, were, verb ing. And have, has, had, past participle, right? That is our theories. So we are very clear about them. මේගොල්ලන්ගේ verb එක යන්නේ මේ විදියට. Do, does, did, will, original verb. All the models also original verb. Am, is, are, was, were, continuous tense. ඒ කියන්නේ යම්කිසි කාලයක් තිස්සේ present එකේ හෝ past එකේ සිදු වෙමින් පවතින හෝ සිදු වෙමින් පැවති කියන idea එකෙන් කාලයක් තිස්සේ වෙනවා කියන idea එක. So verb ing. මෙතන කියන්නේ කරලා තියෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් කරලා තිබුණා. So අර කරලා කියන idea එක අපි දෙන්නේ past participle එකෙන්. Right? So that is the simple tenses and models. Okay. So these are the tags. Let's do one. I think one example for one tag, right? Like that. Let's do some examples. So I will take one question from do, one from does, did, will. මේ එකකට එක ගානේ අපි examples අරගෙන කරගෙන යමු. But the theory is same. අපි කලින් කතා කරපු අර past tense එකේ theory එකම තමයි. Everything goes back. There simple present tag question එකක් report කරනවා නම් මේක simple past එකට යනවා. Simple past එකක් past perfect එකට යනවා, right? So the theory is same. මොකද මෙතන question එක tag question එක අහලා තියෙන්නේ past tense එකේ. Right? That's right. The teacher asked. ඇහුවා කියලායි කියන්නේ, right? And remember the joining word is whether or if. දෙකම ගන්නවා. Right. So let's do some examples and see. Number 1. Mother asked me, comma, ahua, right? Asked me. Mother asked me, do you want coffee? Today is a rainy day. So mother asked you, do you want coffee? Right? This is a tag question. Do you want coffee? So let's report this one. Mother asked me. Right? We have two joining words. Whether if. WHETHER, or you can write if. Right? Until 2019, O-level papers were in weather. But in 2019 paper, they give a question from if. එතෙක් අපි weather එකෙන්ම තමයි join කළේ, but 2019 එකේ ඒගොල්ලෝ if එකෙන් join කරලා තිබුණා. So you have to practice both. Whether if මේ දෙකම similar. Right? So don't worry about them. Whether if දෙකම similar, එනිසා ඔයාලට කැමති එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. So it is better if you use both of them in turn. මාරුවෙන් මාරුවට මේ දෙක use කරලා practice කරගන්න, එකකටම අවධානය දාන්න නැතුව, right? Whether if remember those are similar. ඔයාලට exam එකේදී ගැටලුවක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. What is whether, what is if? ඇයි මේක if එකෙන් join කළේ? ඇයි මේක whether එකෙන් join කළේ? මේක tag question එකක් නෙමෙයිද? Right? You will get lot of questions. So just remember they are similar. If you use them turning in turn, මාරුවෙන් මාරුවට use කරනවා නම් මේක ඔයාලට ගොඩක්ම හුරු වෙනවා, right? So mother asked me whether if. Now joining word එක ගත්තට පස්සේ අපි SVO follow කරන්න. Remember that. Joining word එක ගත්තට පස්සේ, whether if ගත්තට පස්සේ, I forget about the question and I follow SVO. Normal sentence. SVO කියන්නේ අපේ sentence order එකනේ. So I follow SVO. But the tenses changing similar. Just like last week, the tenses changing similar. We know this is simple present tense. Do. Simple present tense, plural, right? So simple present tense, we go to simple past tense. Just remember that. And I write SVO, you. Then mother magen ahanne, I am the subject, I. Right? I. And what is your verb? Want. Want is the verb. What is the tense? අපිට දීලා තියෙන්නේ simple present tense එකෙන්. So we go to simple past tense. What is the past tense of want? Wanted. And the object coffee. Right? So please carefully remember. Joining word එක දැම්මට පස්සේ අපි SVO follow කරන්න. That is very clear. Joining word එක දැම්මට පස්සේ SVO follow කරන්න. So what is the subject? I. Do you want? මේ you කියන්නේ මගෙන්නේ mother අහන්න. So I is the subject. Then SVO, we take the verb. දැන් මෙතන do තියනවා නම් did දානවා. No, එහෙම idea එකක් නැහැ. Have, has තියනවා නම් had දානවා. No, මේක first time ඔයගලන්ට class එකේ කියලා දෙද්දිත් මම කිව්වා shortcut තියාගන්න එපා. We remember only one thing. Present tense දෙනවා නම් past tense කරන්න. Past tense දෙනවා නම් perfect tense කරන්න. That's all. tense එක බලලා ඒ අදාළ විදියට change කරන්න. shortcut තියාගන්න එපා. have has තියනවා නම් had කරන්න, do තියනවා නම් did කරන්න. No, you have to understand the theory, concept. ඇත්තටම මෙතන මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියන එක තේරුම් ගන්න. right? උඩින් අත ගාගෙන යන්න එපා. So here it is very clear. අපි do එකෙන් question එක හදාන්නේ simple present tense එක. Simple present tense එක reported speech එකේදී simple past tense කරනවා. So what is the past tense of want? Wanted. Right? That's all. Then we take the object, coffee. So, right. So you can copy the examples. Number 2, does. අපි singular question එකක් ගමු. Teacher asked Mihiri, does your father work in a bank? Your father is singular, so the question tag is does. How to write this? Teacher asked Mihiri, if now I follow SVO. If කියන joining word එක ගෙනාව දැන් මම SVO දාගෙන යනවා. If your father, it's about Mihiri. Mihiriගේ father. Mihiri is a girl, so the pronoun is her father. Right? Her father. Right? Subject ready. Now I go to the verb. Does. Simple present tense. I go to simple past tense. What is the past tense of work? මේකයි මගේ verb එක. එහෙනම් මේ verb එක තමයි මම past tense කරන්නේ. So past tense of work is worked. And I follow the object in a bank. Right? So you can copy the example 2 and please ask questions if you have. Teacher asked Mihiri if her father worked in a bank. Right, and quickly raise your hand if you are finished writing so that we can continue quickly, right? Quickly raise your hand if you are finished writing. Satini, thank you. Right, thank you, children. Please raise your hands quickly so that we can save time. And also, if you have any questions, please ask me, right? We don't have to speed up. If you have questions, I will give you more examples. Don't worry. මේකෙන් තව example එකක් කරන්න ඕනේ වගේ කියලා හිතෙනවා නම් ටක් ගාලා කියන්න, right? Because I told you we are not doing any more revisions on reported speech. සාමාන්‍ය lesson එකකදී උඩින් මතක් කරගෙන යනවා. නමුත් complete revision එකක් ආපහු අපිට reported speech වලින් කරෙන්නේ නැහැ. We have to do passive voice and all the others. One by one we are finishing revision. Right. So I go to number 3. Simple present tense finish. Simple past tense. අපි did එකෙන් question එකක් දාමු. The principal asked the students, the principal asked the students, comma, Did you arrange? You and the original verb did the original verb එක. So did you arrange your class? The principal asked the students, did you arrange your class? Right, then I will write number 4 and give you 1 minute to write the answers and you can check. Number 4, it's future tense. මේ තුනම ලේසි නිකම්ම past tense එකට අතීතයට දාන්න තියෙන්නේ, right? No, I want to do one more example from this. The woman asked the boy, did you break this? ඔයා මේක කැඩුවද? The woman asked the boy, did you break this? Did and the original verb, break. Don't forget to raise your hand. Right, let's check. So both of these questions are past tense. The principal asked the students. The principal asked the students whether the principal asked the students whether you students lagen yahuwe we are not connected api meකට සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ so it's they did is simple past tense. Simple past tense go to past perfect. And how do we make past perfect? Had and the past participle. Right? That's all. I told you no shortcuts. Did එක කියන්නේ simple past tense එක. Simple past tense එක අපි දැම්මේ past perfect එකට. Past perfect එක හදන්නේ කොහොමද? Had එක past participle එක. Right? So they had මෙයා regular verb එකක් ඒ නිසා arranged. They had arranged their class. You were changed to their. Right? So you can put right marks in red pen. The principal asked the students whether they had arranged their class. Had arranged. The woman asked the boy if you, boy, he. Right. So did එක question tag එක did එක අපි past tense එක did කියන්නේ past tense එක අපි past perfect එකට දානවා. So how to make the past perfect? Had and the past participle. So break කියන්නේ irregular verb එකක්. මෙයාට participle එක broken. This එක that වෙනවා. Right? Check again. That is why I ask you to follow the rule. Theory එක follow කරන්න shortcuts නැතුව. Oh, broken. Sorry. This one did arrange past tense. මේක යන්න ඕනේ past perfect එකට. So had arranged. Had done the past participle. Again did past tense. So had done the past participle. Break, broke, broken is the participle. Right? Okay, so number 5, I will take future tense. Mother asked Sanduni. Mother asked Sanduni, will you come early today? And I will take one more example from future. Mother asked Sanduni, will you come early today? Number 6, Pahan asked his brother. Pahan asked his brother. Yes, very good question, Tilan. Thank you for asking that question. Right, after reporting this, then make a report කරාට පස්සේ අපි question mark එක දානවද? Okay, wait. මම example එක අරගෙන මේක පැහැදිලි කරන්න. Very good question, Tilan. Thank you. මම එක example එකම පැහැදිලි කරන්න. Let's go. Pahan asked his brother, will you please give this book to Tarindu? Question mark. Pahan asked his brother, will you please give this book to Tarindu? Okay, so please try these two from future tense and raise your hands. Then I will answer Tilan's question. Please raise your hand. Right. I don't know, you are not raising your hands, but I think you all are finished writing. Number 5. Mother asked Sanduni if. Mother asked Sanduni if you. Sanduni gang mother ahuwe, so Sanduni is a girl and the subject pronoun is she. She will come. Will is from future tense. Will, would. Would and the original verb. Early. Today, that day, whenever. Right? I remember I told you last week. Other uday this morning, this eka that weno. Other dawal this afternoon, that afternoon. This evening, that evening. Other at tonight, that night. Evidiyatama today eka that day weno. Right? So today means this day. Other dawasa that day. Right? Now. Then මෙතනට question mark එක දානවාද? It is very important. Punctuation mark. Let's see. Mother asked Sanduni. Subject, verb, object. Mother asked Sanduni. SVO. So SVO තියන්නේ අපිට sentence එකක. Next one. This is the joining word. She would come early that day. She subject. Would come verb, early that day object. So if we take a short note, number 1 SVO and the joining word SVO. Isn't it? We have SVO and the joining word and again SVO. So we can't see any questions here. There are only 2 sentences joined by a joining word. That's all. So we should put the full stop. How do we make a question? Question එකක් හදන order එක මොකද්ද? tense එකේ tag එක and SVO question mark. But here tense tag එකක් ඉස්සරහට අවිල්ලා නැහැ. අපි WH question එකක් හදනවා නම් ඉස්සරහට WH tag එක දාලා tense tag එක දාලා SVO හදනවා. tag question එකක් නම් tag SVO. WH question එකක් නම් WH tense tag SVO. Then reported speech එකේ අපි මේ report කරන දේවල් ඒවා questions the sentence the මොනවා හරි මේකේ outcome එක අරගෙන බැලුවොත් SVO තියෙනවා. And there is a joining word, again SVO. Right? So here, 2 sentences are joined by a joining word. In අපිට තියෙන්නේ sentence දෙකක් මැදට joining word එකක් දාලා in අපි දාන්න ඕනේ full stop එක. මොකද මෙතන question එකක් හොයාගන්න නෑ අපිට. Right. So I think Tilan get the answer now. Right. So like that, if you have any question, please ask me because it is very useful for everyone, right? සමහර වෙලාවට තව යාළුවෙක්ට මේ ප්‍රශ්නෙම තියෙන්න පුළුවන් අහන්න නැතුව ඉන්න. So if you have a question, you just ask. කවුරුවත් අහනකම් බලන් ඉන්න එපා. ඔයා අහන්න. එතකොට අහන්න නැති ළමයෙක්ටත් ඒක ප්‍රයෝජනවත් වෙනවා. Let's take one more example. මේක හරියද කියලා බලමු. අපි මෙතනිනුත් confirm කරගමු. Pahan asked his brother whether mama whether if එක මාරුවෙන් මාරුවට යනවා එතකොට ඔයාලට මේක හුරු වෙනවා WHETHER. Pahan asked his brother whether you මෙතන you කියලා Pahan brother ගෙන් අහන්නේ. So brother is a boy, the relative pronoun is he. Sorry, possessive pronoun is subject pronoun is he. Subject pronoun he. Pahan asked his brother whether he will. Future tense එකේ තියෙන අපි will එක would එකට දානවා. Would and the original verb. So this is the subject pronoun and the verb SVO. Now we have to check the verb. Object. This book, that book venama. To Tarindu, no change. And remember, please make a kindly කියන adverb එක වෙනවා. ඔයාලට kindly කියන එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේක adverb එකක් නිසා මෙතෙන්ට දාන්නත් පුළුවන්, right? No problem. Pahan asked his brother whether he would kindly give that book to Tarindu. Right? You can write it here also, no problem. Adverb එකක් main verb එකට පෙර. Before the main verb දාන්න පුළුවන්. Right, now let's check what is this. Is this a question or is this a sentence? Pahan asked his brother. Pahan subject, ask verb, his brother object. And we have whether, it is a joining word. He subject, would give object. That book to Tarindu kindly, would give is the verb. He subject, would give is the verb. That book to Tarindu kindly is the object. Right? So in this sentence also, we have a sentence and a joining word and again a sentence. So we should put the full stop. Then make a tag එකකින් පටන් අරගෙන නැහැ. WH tag එකකින් පටන් අරගෙනත් නැහැ. SVO and SVO. So there are two sentences joined by a joining word. Sentences. Then we put the full stop. Right. So I erase number 5 and let's nine. Let's do another 3 examples from present continuous 6, 7. Am is are, right? Are you there? 9 only. Ten. Right, number 7. Binuri asked mother. Binuri asked mother, am I going with you? Am I going with you? Binupa asked father, are we going now? Father asked mother, is the baby sleeping? Is sleeping, sleeping. Right. Binuri asked mother, am I going with you? Binupa asked father, are we going now? Father asked mother, is the baby sleeping? Okay, so try your answers and raise the hand. Remember, present continuous tense go to past continuous tense. Shamidu not finished writing. Udari not finished. Asindu not finished. Right, I think we can mark. Okay. So you can take your red pen and put right marks. Binuri asked mother if I. So Binuri is going. Binuri mother gengana mango kena mother. So Binuri is a girl. She. Am going. This is about present continuous. Present continuous goes to past continuous. And she is singular. Was going. Past continuous එක අපි හදන්නේ was එක verb ing. Is she going with අම්මත් එක්ක යනවද කියලා අහන්නේ. So the object pronoun is her. Binuri asked mother if she was going with her. Binupa asked father whether. දැන් කලින් අපි කතා වුණා question mark එක දාන්න and also no comma inverted comma no ඒව මුකුත් වෙන්නේ right. This is a one complete sentence. අපි හදන්නේ සම්පූර්ණ වාක්‍යයක්. So no comma. Binupa asked father whether we. දැන් whether එකට පස්සේ if එකට පස්සේ අපි SVO දාන්නේ. So whether we කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ. අපි සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ මෙතෙන්ට. Binupa and father. So whether they. Am is a verb ing present continuous. Present continuous goes to past continuous. They plural. Right? They කියන්නේ plural subject එක. So they were going. Now එක then වෙනවා. Right? Now එක then වෙනවා. Father asked mother if subject the baby. Am is a verb ing present continuous. Present continuous goes to past continuous. Baby singular was sleeping. Full stop. Okay. Now we can go to present perfect. I give you two examples. One from has and one from have. Ryan asked the mother. Ryan asked the mother, have you prepared lunch? Have you prepared lunch? Teacher asked Sahani has your mother come? Has your mother come? And I take one from the past perfect also. Have, has, had, තුනම අපි එකට යමු. Father asked mother had the children done their homework? Ryan asked mother, have you prepared lunch? Teacher asked Sahani, has your mother come? Father asked mother, had the children done their homework? Pasindu not finish. Only 4 finish. Kavisha, Ravisha, Sulaksha, Pasindu. Please raise your hand. Right, Satini. Right, so let's check. So remember present perfect and past perfect here, right? We have. Okay. So Ryan asked mother, if have you prepared lunch? So Ryan mother again lunch prepare karanne mother, right? She. If she. Okay. So have, has and the past participle, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense goes to past perfect, had and the past participle. She had prepared lunch. Full stop. Teacher asked Sahani whether your mother, it's about Sahani's mother. Teacher Sahani again, right? So it's Sahani is a girl, her mother. Right. So again, present perfect, go to past perfect, had then the past participle. Had come. Had come. Number 12, it's past perfect. Father asked mother if. Right. So this one, then number 10, 11 වගේ වැඩි you මේ subject එක මේ කතා කරන පුද්ගලයින්ට සම්බන්ධයක් තියෙනවා. That's why we changed the pronoun. මෙතන you එක she වුණා. මොකද mother ගෙන් අහන්නේ. Your mother, it's about Sahani's mother. So your එක her mother ට change වුණා. But this one number 12 වගේ එකකදී මේ children ලා father mother ට සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ. I mean pronouns විදියට සර්වනාම විදියට සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ. Right? So we don't change that. මතක තියාගන්න මට මතකයි කලින් පළවෙනි වතාවට මේ පාඩම කරද්දී මේවත් change කරනවා ළමයි children day කරනවා. No. Father mother ට pronouns වලින් සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ. children කියන්නේ වෙනම පිරිසක්. දැන් මෙතන number 11 එකේ your mother කියන්නේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම සහනිගේ mother. And this one mother ගෙන් තමයි you prepared. you කියලා කෙලින්ම අහන්නේ mother ගෙන්ම. right? ඒ වගේ තැන් වලදී අපි pronoun එක change කරනවා. නමුත් සම්බන්ධයක් නැති වෙනම පිරිසක් නම් අපි ඒවා එතනදී තියෙන nouns නේ. ඒ nouns change කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. right? ඒවා subject වෙන්න පුළුවන්, object වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒවා change කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද මේ දෙන්නට සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ. pronouns විදියට සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ. So father asked mother if the children. What is the tense? Had and the past participle. So past perfect tense. Simple present එක simple past එකට ගෙනාවා. Simple past එක past perfect එකට ගෙනාවා. Past perfect no change. Right? So had done their homework. Then again, their homework, their කියන එකත් father mother ට connection එකක් නැහැ. So we don't change that. එතන තියෙන possessive pronoun එක අපි change කරන්නෙත් නැහැ. Father mother ට මේක කතා වෙන දෙන්නට ඒකෙන් සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ. Right? So remember, present perfect go to past perfect. Has singular, present perfect go to past perfect. Past perfect had and the past participle no change. වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right. Okay, so we have to do models. Right. So I will stop from here because next week we can start from models. Right? Tag questions from models. And also remember, I want to do some negatives and passives. Usually we don't do this. අපි ඔක්කොම actives තමයි කරගෙන යන්නේ. But next week I will try some negatives and passives also, right? So how to change? Don't worry. If we have a negative, then we go to the negative of the other tense. Example, simple present negative එකක් තියෙනවා නම් අපි simple past negative එකට යන්න. Simple past passive එකක් තියෙනවා නම් past perfect passive එකට යන්න. I mean the question. Right question WH questions වලදී මේ passive negative ටිකක් දාලාම කතා කරගෙන යන්න. මොකද අපි වැඩිපුරම කළේ sentences නිසා, right? Active voice එකෙන් නිසා. Right. Okay, so how about the not yet. Right, because next week I don't think we have time to mark another essay. Then can you please take your pupils book? Right, please take your pupils book. Yeah. Page number 21, activity 11. Page number 21, activity 11. Page number 40. Page number 40, activity 6. Page number 85, activity 14. 85 and 86, activity 14. Right, that's all. So this is only for this week homework, right? All these are reported speech questions and you can do them. We have covered these parts. So you can do activities 11, 6 and 14 from these pages, right? That's all. Okay, and you have to write your dictation words in the writing book and then mark 12 words, then practice for dictation. I have already sent them into the group. If you do not receive them, just send me a message, right? The words are in the group, right? That's all. So I think next week the same online class, right? Are you going school tomorrow?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, happy news, no? But they did not give us permission to start the tuition classes, so we have to wait for that. Let's do online classes until that. So stay safe. Uh, Please follow the guidelines, right? We are still not sure about this disease, so wash your hand and do everything correctly. Then right, next week I think we can start at 6:30 as usual, right? So that's all for today. If you have any questions about this, you can send message to the group and or maybe call me or whatever, right? Thank you very much for joining the online class. Goodbye, good night.
Goodbye,
Bye,
teacher.
good
Good
night.
night. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, good night.